Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're at in your travels. My name is Eileen Amaya, and this is my husband,
Phil Amaya.
And we are full-time RV travelers. And this is our story. This is our YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe and like. And our first video is going to be about how we got caught in a blizzard in Wyoming, our first summer trip of 2026. There's a lot of great footage. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave us a comment. And you can feel free to email us at tailstalesandtrails@gmail.com. And there'll be a link to like and subscribe. Feel free to join anytime. We are, like I said, full-time RV travelers, and we travel in a Brookstone.
It's a 2025 Brookstone by Coachman, and I'm towing it with a HDT, 2015 Volvo VNL 670. But it does the trick. Don't have to worry about slowing me down or pulling up the hills. It does what I need it to do without any worries. But that's our story, and we're
Sticking to it.
Sticking to it. And this is our first adventure out and our first real YouTube. But I need a lot of help trying to figure out how to edit and everything on CapCuts. But we're learning, and just bear with us and subscribe to our channel.
And feel free to give us tips and tricks, because we would love it.
And it's tailstalesandtrails. And our email is tailstalesandtrails@gmail.com.
Perfect. And that first Tails is Tails. And you all have a great day, and we'll see you down the road.
See you down the road. Ready, headed for Oregon. Just left my daughter's property. And guess who's driving?
Look who's driving!
And here's our furry little pets, settled in.
Such a horrible drought, but hey, we'll take it. This is Castle Rock, Colorado. Just went through rain. Here we are in Denver. We're on the outskirts of Denver, South Denver. But it's like any other given day. It is stop and go traffic. There's not a day that you can come to Denver. I think it would have to be 2 or 3 in the morning to not have this when you go through it. So yeah, this is fun. Can't wait to get out of Denver, Colorado. For the sports enthusiasts, we have the Denver Broncos Stadium right there. Is it in Vesco or in Power Field? Yeah. power field, which they're very...
In 2 miles, take a slight left turn.
Yeah, they're very much considering making that a new stadium, putting a roof on it. But we'll see. And over here, we have the actual city of Denver. So we are getting ready to come into Wyoming State from Colorado, and so there's where it is, Wyoming. There, people are taking Wyoming. Yeah, we come to Wyoming to buy fireworks, where the Wyoming people come to Colorado to buy marijuana. And hello. So we will be stopping in Cheyenne, Wyoming to do some business, and then we will be back on the road. So here we are. We left Cheyenne, Wyoming about 20-30 minutes ago, and just hit a road sign that said Laramie. The I-80 is closed from Laramie to Rawlins, Wyoming. I'm assuming because of wind. It's closed to high-profile vehicles, I should say. I'm assuming wind. I can't imagine it's closed because of slick roads, but who knows? I mean, it's Wyoming, okay? And but anyway, we'll see. Right now, we're getting a mix of slush and rain, so that's really interesting. But Wyoming is a high windy state, so it is most likely because of that. We will check in later. Look at all that slush / ice. According to my weather app, we're in Buford, B-U-F-O-R-D, Buford, Wyoming. Leave it to Wyoming to let us know the winter's not over yet. Right now, they have the road closed. I think I might have said that, closed from Laramie, well, from high-profile vehicles from Laramie to Rawlins.
I ran for mercy, rode fast and far, chased every shadow, slept under the stars. Whiskey and women, the devil's
Looks to be an oil refinery. We are in Sinclair, Sinclair, Wyoming. Well, this is not exactly what we anticipated for our first summer quote-unquote trip, but here we are. We are in Wamsutter, Wyoming, and a blizzard came through. It is May 18th, and overnight a blizzard came through, and the roads are closed. Basically, I-80 is closed. So we were trying to figure things out, but as our our adventures go. And I suppose we had lots of routes that we could have taken, but we chose to just come this route thinking it was the better of the routes, but we didn't check the weather. And I know everybody out there is going to say, why didn't you check the weather? Just because it's what we're doing. It's what we're doing. What was that face? Do it again. And it's just part of our adventures. It's part of Tails, and Trails. There's a tail, there's a tail. And there is a Love's. We have no idea if it's stayed open, if it's closed, but we are in desperate need of some coffee. We do have our house behind us, our RV. However, there was not enough sun yesterday to charge the solar, and we only have a small amount of solar anyway. So we do need the truck running in order to have our batteries. So we will see how it goes. More later. Well, we're still stuck. I mean, it's real wet and heavy, but it is still coming down. Even though my weather channel thing says it shouldn't be snowing. It's snowing sideways, but it's real wet and heavy, so I don't know. Hopefully soon.
Coffee cold, but I don't care. Got no reason to stay there. Empty road and broken signs, passing through these quiet lines. Every mile feels the same.
Here we are at Little America in western Wyoming, and just kind of wandering around waiting for our breakfast burritos to get done. But this is a nifty little spot. They have an RV campground that we stayed at. The internet was sketchy. We could see local channels on our TV, but as far as using the internet or downloading anything, that wasn't possible. But the RV park was pretty nice. Good water, electric sources, dump station. This is a huge truck stop for anybody that is doing HGT or HDT, sorry. But lots of little knickknacks and gifts. Really clean bathrooms, showers. Oh snap. You see what I see? And every time I see these, I have to get some. So yes, I am getting some, oh snap, pickle bites, dilly bites, because I do love those. And they're not real sour, they're not real, they are very yellow. And here's what I bring with our goodies. So we are somewhere near Park City, Utah. And of course, you see the mountains, and it's beautiful through here. Utah's license plate slogan is Ski Utah, and it looks like there's plenty of ski slopes over there. Park City, I'm not sure. I have to look that up, but I think they were home to Winter Olympics at one time. Very cool. That's the city of Salt Lake over there. called the Cora mountain range, and it sits southwest of Salt Lake City. And just a little knowledge on the actual Salt Lake is you can do anything on it. You can do paddleboarding, kayaking, swimming even. You can rent a boat person to take you on a little cruise across the lake. The only thing that you can't do because it doesn't exist is fish, because the Great Salt Lake is 7 to 8 times saltier than the ocean. So there really is no aquatic life in the Great Salt Lake other than brine shrimp and brine flies. But there's a place called Antelope Island that if you were wanting to go there, they have showers where you can wash off the ice off your body, or the salt off your body. Because you get a great salt crust on you. But I guess the floating there is pretty awesome. So if you wanted to go to a place where you might not drown, you can float on top of a great salt water, is Antelope Island at the Great Salt Lake. Here comes our tails part of our channel. We'll take them for a walk down here, see if they can relieve themselves. Because, I mean, if we gotta go, they gotta go, right? We're at a little rest stop here in West Utah. Pretty desolate. Pretty desolate. I guess you can find beauty in just about anything. So we are at the Winnemucca Entertainment Complex. Events Complex. I guess we're at the Winnemucca Events Complex in Winnemucca, Nevada. So back to what I was saying is that we were at the Winnemucca Events Complex in Winnemucca, Nevada. And as you can see, there is absolutely nobody here except for us. It cost us $30 for the night for full hookups, sewer, water, and electricity. And so this is a great tip that if you're ever, traveling and you're a full-time RVer like we are, the fairgrounds are a great opportunity to stay the night and very low cost. Have you ever seen such a straight road? We are in the northern part of Nevada. In 65 miles, we'll hit this little town called Inyo. And but we're on our way to Roseburg, Oregon. You've heard the saying, where are you at? Nowhere. Where did that come from? Nowhere. Where are you going? Nowhere. Well, we have actually found nowhere. I believe that this is nowhere. I'll show you nowhere's mountains. We are still in nowhere, but oh my goodness, what a hill. I don't know, I guess it's about maybe 400 or 500 feet down on the other side of this. Ooh, so scary in a big rig. southern, very southern Oregon, believe it or not. When you think of Oregon, you think of beautiful trees and greenery, which it does. That's what it looks like. And honestly, if there were trees around, I wouldn't be as nervous about it. It's all downhill from here. All right, we're gonna let her rip.
Thank you for traveling with us from Colorado to the Pacific Ocean. Join us every Friday for an update on tails, and trails